guys? This is my man, Coach Richie Rich, Coach Babs, and welcome to the Think Strong, Be Strong channel. If you're brand new, please click on the like and subscribe button so you can get every video as it comes. Just so you know, I do a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and today is Monday. So without further ado, let's get to it, shall we? Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a whole different video for once. This is complete different take, complete different switch. Thought I'd try something different. I was kind of inspired by somebody else doing this, so I thought, hey, why not? So the joys of becoming a YouTuber for the first time and doing your videos, especially when it comes to the editing videos. So as I go through this, I'm just going to talk about software that I use, and then I'm just going to talk about different tools and gadgets that I've picked up, and just make it as easy and as straightforward as possible. So when I started the whole YouTube journey, I had no idea what to do. I was very familiar with using Instagram stories and IGTV, but Instagram was like way over the hedge. Kind of feel like there's a whole lot of stuff that you need to know or do, you know, or equipment that you need to get so that people can do stuff. But no, I'm doing it from my phone right now. Believe it or not, it's from my mobile phone that I'm doing it, and I position my phone in different places in the house, right? And recording the video after many takes and outtakes, it became relatively easy. You know, gotta make eye contact with the camera, gotta make sure you're in a position where you either sit up straight and make sure your voice is heard, so you know, sound on and all that business. So loads of different things that I had to try and learn. And I have one of my good friends, and he would always tell me stuff that I need to do. Yeah, you done that, and I'll get this. Yeah, make your voice louder. Yeah, make sure the aspect ratio, go into that afterwards. Make sure you've got your thumbnails. I was like, what do you mean? There's a lot of information here. Anyway, I digress. So the first thing I did was just get my phone, set up my phone. I prop mine horizontally, so it's a wider picture for me when I'm recording. And 9 times out of 10 I get lucky and it records, it uploads onto YouTube the way it should show right now with a wide picture. So I always recorded my videos in the daytime, so that the natural lighting from outside could come in, and I'd make sure I'd position it in an angle. So most times I'm over here, I'm over here, you know, I've got it propped up there, and then I literally record from there, and I let the angle, the lighting from outside to come in. But then I found out there was a ring light. Ring lights. What are ring lights? I have no idea. But I saw a good friend of mine use one on their videos, and I thought, well, do you know what? I'm going to purchase it. First of all, let me tell you, it comes on a pretty cool stand. I've got it on there right now, so I can't even show you, but it's a pretty cool stand. And it's got a massive disc, which is the LED light. And literally, you get all these mad colors. So right now, I think I'm using the color called Cool. But you have this one, which apparently is called Warm. You also have this one, which is even more warmer. It's nice. I think I like this one. It makes my skin glow. Look at that. And then you have this blue light, which is the one I was using before. Best thing about it is you can make it super bright, or you can bring it down. And it comes with this pretty cool remote, which is Bluetooth enabled. So that means I don't have to keep pressing the stop button and pressing the start button. I just push a button here and it does it all for me. So that's pretty cool. Now you can get this on Amazon. It's actually, I didn't pay a lot for it. I paid about £17 on Amazon, and because I got it on Amazon Prime, so I got it the next day. For £16, it's pretty easy to use, I'd say. You set up the stand is pretty easy. You screw it all together, and it stands up nicely on my table. So now I don't have to prop it up here. It's a good height, so you know you can't see anything from here down unless I change the angle. And if I want to change the angle, I just twist it, and all of a sudden we're full. And then I twist it again, and we're back to up here. Pretty decent, I think, for £17. I think it's a pretty cool investment. You know, I didn't want to go to the stage of getting a microphone because I think that would have just been a bit too much at the moment. I've got enough bass in my voice as it is. So yeah, that's the ring light. So the ring light is really helping with the lighting on the videos. I don't filter my stuff naturally, so I don't need to worry about the light. I don't need to worry about anything extra. There are apps that I use. My favorite app is Inshot. Inshot is really good for the editing side of things, but I'll do a separate video on how to use Inshot. I also use another one called Post Plus, which is pretty cool for creating those thumbnail images. It's so straightforward. It's free to download as well. So Inshot is free to download on Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you use. You get the basic one first, and then if you want to buy the Pro one, you just upgrade to Pro. But I use a lot of the basic stuff, and it seems to be just fine for me. Same thing with Post Plus. The basic templates, you know, so you can edit and use your own images on, are pretty cool, straightforward to use. But if you want to upgrade to the Pro to get some of the more sexier looking ones, you know what I mean, go for it. So yeah, there's that. And then Canva. Canva is a pretty cool app as well. Really, really good for channel arts and stuff like that. Like I had to really, really work through creating my channel art, creating my profile picture that I want to see, coming up with a cool name. You know, think strong, be strong. Probably gonna do another video on that as well at some other time, talking about where Think Strong, Be Strong came from, you know. And then download another thing called YouTube Studio. It helps you keep an eye on the traffic that comes through, you know. And those are the tools, the basic tools that I've used and that I am using. Like I said, over the next couple of videos, I'll talk about the different softwares in detail, do you know what I mean, and how I use them. But those are the basic things I use. Sometimes, if my battery's flat, I use my tablet. I don't know how my tablet's going to work on the ring light, but I'll find some MacGyver-like ways to make it work. But that's it, man. Yeah, I may sit down for for an hour editing the videos, but yo, that's it, man. That's you know, the basics of how I'm recording YouTube videos, really. It's that simple. And then the hard part, I guess, is knowing what to talk about and hoping people will listen. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. But what I'll do is over the next like a Wednesday, I'll probably drop a video giving either the history of Think Strong, Be Strong, or one of the other apps that I use, InShot or Post Plus. Just got to figure out how you do screen share. I might actually do it as a live. I may do it as a live on my tablet so I can show you as it's happening. But yeah, that's about it for now, man. Anyway, get it. It's on Amazon. It's an LED ring light. I bought mine for, I believe it was $16.99. If you forget and you want to know again, play the video back or just drop me a message. Just drop a message in the comments, or better still, I'll put the link in the comments box below so you can see where to purchase it yourself if you're looking to wanting to get into recording either YouTube videos or just recording in general, and you want a good background light without having to use your living room light. Because yo, if you want to know what living room light looks like, it's pretty much like this. And we're back. So yeah, anyway guys, if you liked what you saw today, please leave a comment in the box below. Again, hit the like and hit the subscribe button. Okay, and if you're interested in anything else I've got to say, just loads of videos I've got on here, so just look through and click away. Anyway guys, like I always say, live your life one step, one rep at a time. Think strong, be strong, and remember, impossible is nothing. Peace.